To think that you've made it this far. Aren't you a persistent little thing? But even you will kneel before us. I, Taranza, cannot allow you to interfere with Queen Sectonia's plans. Let me guess, you're here to save the hero of the lower world. The people of this land thought that they were clever. They thought they could use the Dreamstalk to save their world. But I saw right through their plan. Well, since you're already here, I'll give you your precious hero back. But maybe a little more hostile than you remember him. What is the meaning of this? I did just as Her Majesty commanded. The lower world should fall to its knees before me. Could you be the true hero of the lower world? Curses, if that's true. Majesty, Your Majesty Sectonia!